Hello and welcome to the SQL series using Microsoft Access. In today's video, we will explore three powerful joins operations that every Access user should know. The first one is left join, second is simulated right join, and the third one is self. These join helps you combine data from multiple tables for better reporting and analysis. Let's begin. We have already created the three tables. First one is customer table, second is purchase table, and the last one is employee table. Using these three tables, we will now see all the commands, how they are used. Let's begin. Let's start with the left join. A left join brings in all records from the left table and the matching row from the right. Now we will see the query for the left join. So the query is select customers dot name purchase dot amount from customer left join purchase on customer id equals to purchase dot customer id. Now we will run the query and see what we get. Now you can see that all customers, even if they didn't make a purchase, for example Dina and Chetan, will appear with null from amount. Coming to the second part, right join. So I would like to highlight a point that Microsoft Access doesn't support right join directly, but we can simulate it by flipping the left join. So show all the purchase even if we don't have customer detail. So the query for right join is select purchase.purchase ID customer.name purchases.account from purchases left join customers on purchases dot customer id equals to customers dot customer id. So now we will run the command and see what we get. So you can see that all the three customers have been identified. This gives the effect of right join. All purchases appear even if customer info is missing. Coming to the third part, self-join. Self-join is when a table joins with itself. It is commonly used in employee-manager relationships. So now we will see the query for the self-join. Select E1 dot employee name as employee, E2 employee name as manager. From employees as E1, left join employees as E2 on E1 dot manager ID equals to E2 dot employee ID. Now we will see the command. Now you can see that the list of employees like Bharat and Chitra under their manager Asha. That's wrap up this video on advanced joins in ML Access. Use left join when you want all records from the left table. Simulate right join by reversing the left join order. And use self join for hierarchy like data, like employees and manager. So if you found this helpful and subscribe for the next one. Hope to see you soon.